Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stash farm in Borderlands 2 on Xbox. First, ensure your Xbox is connected to the internet for cloud saves. This is crucial for the process. Next, navigate to your game's main menu and select your character. Before proceeding, it's always a good idea to back up your current save data. This provides a safety net if anything goes awry during the farming process. We'll be leveraging the game's save mechanics to our advantage. Now let's prepare your stash. Place the items you wish to farm into your character's bank or stash. These are the items you'll be attempting to duplicate or re-roll. Once your items are in the bank, exit the game completely. This action forces a cloud save, preserving the state of your bank. Re-enter the game with your character. Now, move the items from your bank into your character's inventory. Remember, do not save your game at this point. Here's the core of the farming loop. With the items in your inventory, inspect their stats or attributes. If you're happy with the roll, simply save your game. This will permanently add the item with its new stats to your character. However, if the item isn't what you wanted, quit the game without saving. This will revert your character to the previous cloud save, with the items still in your bank, allowing you to try again. Repeat this cycle as many times as needed. Finally, some important considerations. This farming method is most effective for items that have variable stats or prefixes, like legendary weapons or shields. Always be aware of your internet connection, as cloud save timing is crucial. Avoid using this technique with items that are essential for story progression, as unintended save issues could arise. Practice these steps a few times to get comfortable with the timing and ensure you understand the process fully. Happy farming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.